Welcome to Success EduTech. I hope you all are very good. Okay, so in group 13 elements, we have discussed some physical properties as well as some chemical properties. Okay, so on the in next topic, we have to see something anomalous properties of boron. Okay, so group 13 element boron, aluminum, Bal Gangadhar, Indian Tilak. So we have to discuss एनोमेलस प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ बोरोन. एनोमेलस मीन्स डिफरेंट, सामान्य से कुछ भिन्न हटकर. एनोमेलस का हिंदी होता है सामान्य से कुछ अलग हटके. ओके, सो प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ बोरोन, लेट्स सी. एनोमेलस प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ बोरोन. बोरोन शोज एनोमेलस बिहेवियर ड्यू टू स्मॉल साइज. सही बात है, स्मॉल साइज, हाई आयोनाइजेशन पोटेंशियल, हाई इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी, non-availability of vacant d orbitals. When you will write the or d orbit electronic configuration, you will see that its d orbit has vacant, non-availability of vacant d orbitals, presence of two electrons in the penultimate shell. Okay, so outermost orbit से पहले जो भी शेल होता है उसे कहा जाता है penultimate shell. Okay, so anomalous properties of boron. Let's see. Boron is a non-metal. You also know. Whereas aluminum, gallium, indium, and thallium are metals. Okay, so boron always forms covalent compounds, whereas other elements can form ionic compounds also apart from covalent compounds. Okay, so boron always forms covalent compound, and other elements which can form ionic compounds also apart from covalent compounds. Okay, बोरोन शोज डायगोनल रिलेशनशिप विद सिलिकॉन. सही बात है, बोरोन जो है वो सिलिकॉन के साथ शो करेगा डायगोनल रिलेशनशिप. बोरोन डजंट रिप्लेस हाइड्रोजन फ्रॉम एसिड्स वेयर एज other elements can liberate hydrogen. Okay, so boron does not liberate displace hydrogen, whereas other element when reacts with acid they will liberate H2 gases. Okay, B2O3 is an acidic oxide, whereas Al2O3 is amphoteric oxide. Okay, so you have to remember and you have to learn Al2O3 which is amphoteric oxide. Okay, B2O3 is acidic oxide. थेलियम का ऑक्साइड जो होता है Tl2O3 इज स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस, ये भी आपको याद रखना है. S3BO3 देखिए, इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंपाउंड इन 11th. It is most important, I think. Boron most important compound is boric acid, S3BO3. Okay, so BOH whole thrice or S3BO3 is an acid. The hydroxides of other elements are either amphoteric or basic in nature. Simple borates and silicates can polymerize, readily forming polyacid, whereas others do not form polyacids. Okay, and boron has maximum covalency of 4. Other elements of 3A group or 13 group exhibit a maximum covalency of 6. So boron has only 4 maximum covalency. So you have to remember boron does not form BF6 3 minus, and due to non-availability of d orbitals. As you know that there is no any vacant orbitals in d orbital. So non-availability of d orbital, इसके पास अवेलेबल ही नहीं है. Aluminium is able to form AlF6 -3 एंड ड्यू टू अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ वैकेंट ऑर्बिटल. तो जिसके पास वैकेंट रहेगा वो तो बना लेगा, अदरवाइज नहीं बना पाएगा. वी फॉर्म्स BF4 माइनस. बोरोन फॉर्म्स कोवेलेंट hybrids which are stable. Boron never appears as a cation and forms not form B plus 3 minus B plus 3 ion. Okay, so you have to remember boron never appears as a cation and does not form B plus 3 minus ion, B plus 3 ion. The halides of B except BF3 hydrolyze readily and vigorously in water, whereas the other metal halides undergo either partial hydrolysis or no hydrolysis with water. Okay, so boron hydrolysis होती है बोरोन की, and other metal halides undergo either partial hydrolysis or no hydrolysis, and boron complete hydrolysis. Okay, so vigorously in water, you have seen. Boron forms borides with metals, while other almost do not react. Other metals uh, do not form halides, uh, whereas boron forms borides with metals, while others almost do not react. Okay, so boron forms oxide with nitride B2O3Bn, when burnt in air. So when it will react with oxygen, they will form. Okay, boron forms oxide, ये देख लिया हमने. Let's see some questions. Anomalous behavior of boron is due to, first one is small size non-availability of vacant d orbital, second is high electronegativity, high ion temperature, ये भी सही है. Presence of 2 electrons in penultimate shell, ये भी मैंने बताया आपको. तो all of the above हो जाएगा इसमें. Okay. Boron shows diagonal relationship with, you have seen that, silicon. So it's these are the PPT which are made by, all questions consists on the in the MCQ as well as some theory portions. Okay, so if you will see the video, you have to see carefully, you have to watch it carefully and remember each and every small things. Okay, so that you will not face any problem regarding any MCQs. Okay. मैक्सिमम कोवेलेंसी ऑफ बोरोन एंड एल्युमिनियम रिस्पेक्टिवली. सो बोरोन का आप जानते हैं का 4 होता है मैक्सिमम कोवेलेंसी, व्हेयर एज एल्युमिनियम का 6 होता है. व्हिच आर द फॉलोइंग डज नॉट अंडरगो हाइड्रोलाइसिस. BF3.